AIEV stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. So just observing Thunder Power Holdings, 70% increase in price is phenomenal. I mean, it's cool. I like it. But let's check out the higher time frame bias, you know, because you also have to understand this. It's nothing special. It's still quite bearish from the looks of it. For context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships with AIEV stock. It's still, my previous prediction was like quite bearish and this delivered. I was waiting on that. And then we had the supply area and I was like, it's still a bearish balance for me. And this hasn't changed. Like the bearish bias is still gonna stand strong for me. Like specifically, the way that I'll move with this is if I see a double shift, then and only then I'll take a short. Everything else, pure noise. So yeah, that's how AIEV looks like for me. So I'm not gonna short unless there is the rules, man. That's it. I'm waiting. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.